Why we're going back to the moon, NASA Artemis Program. Almost 50 years after the last Apollo mission ventured to the lunar surface, NASA has established a program that promises to land humans on unexplored lunar regions and eventually the surface of Mars. And it all begins with Artemis 1. It's no accident that the Artemis program is named for the twin sister of Apollo from Greek mythology. Artemis will pick up where the famed Apollo program left off in 1972 by sending crewed missions to the moon, but in a new way. The goals of the Artemis program include landing diverse crews of astronauts on the moon and exploring the shadowy lunar South Pole for the first time. The ambitious effort also aims to establish a sustained presence on the moon and create reusable systems that can enable human exploration of Mars and perhaps beyond. But none of this is possible without first taking one big step. Artemis 1 launched on November 16. The uncrewed mission will test every new component. Landings deserve credit for motivating a large fraction of today's scientists. Of course, in addition to the mentioned reasons, there are many more. In any case, each of them aims to send astronauts to the moon in 2025, who will participate in further exploration of the moon, especially its South Pole, and discover many more scientific discoveries and perhaps the final conquest of Mars. Well, this project is huge. It requires a lot of preparation, study, and testing, but also money. The NASA Office of Inspector General, IOG, published an audit of the Artemis program, finding that NASA had already spent around $40 billion on this series of missions. The IOG said it expects the agency to spend around $93 billion by 2025. Guys, we reached the end of the video. That's it for today. Make sure to write comments, like, and share the video. Don't forget to press the notification button for more videos. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day, and we will meet you again.